Give my grandma a little $1 squirt. I gotta know, what are you singing?
Huh?
I gotta know, what are you singing? Because I see you singing from far away.
Oh, solo por un beso a aventura.
Huh?
Bachata.
Bachata? By the way, can I give you this?
What is that?
It's an inhaler.
Why?
Because you leave me breathless.
Oh my god. Come on.
Bye. Try. What? This is crazy. The fuck?
What the fuck?
The fuck?
Hey, hold on. Look at your seat.
In my seat. In my seat there. Supergirl seat. Colors on this are fire. I wish my... Oh, fuck! Yeah, hula hoop. You hula hoop? I'm surprised I actually know how to do that.
I don't know how to do it.
It was like my first try. I wish it was a hill so we can... Oh shit, can we go in there?
I have no idea. No.
Probably snakes in there and shit. Ah! Oh shit, just lay down on broken glass, dude. Can you ride it?
No.
Oh, we can't. What's that? Well, there goes that. Honestly though, oh, it's the garbage. I was like, yo, something out here really fucking stinks. Alright. What the hell was that noise? What was that noise?
What was you burning out on top of the tree?
Oh shit. All kidding aside though, my elbow is really itchy. To admit. Now I was looking for an abandoned place to hang out at and get some footage. You know, what? When to roam, right? Right? So if the humans went extinct or there was an area that humans didn't go to for a long time, this is what it would look like. I mean, isn't that a crazy thought? I know what you're thinking, and I don't know how you feel about that, but there's nothing in it. Fuck! No, not really, but you can hurt somebody with it. Like stint. Just I want to see what's over there. Oh yeah, going over there is bad. It's completely overrun, like really bad. Nah, fuck. Maybe if we had a really tall dirt bike, and even then it's mad sketchy. We did not come this way, did we? I think we found another path. Oh look, a lake. Careful with the sand. Oh. It's going nowhere, it's like ice skating. Whoa!
Are you gonna go across?
I might, depending on how stable this shit is. Somebody burnt a tree. Shit was on fire, legit. Oh yeah, oh they did burn the bridge. Dude, all that caught fire. Look at all the trees that got burnt. I wonder what's on the other side. We will never know unless we cross. But this one? No. You see how this one, it's supported by the bridge? But this one isn't. You be careful with this one. You gotta put most of your weight on this one. It's good enough, I think. You wanna try? I mean, there's literally nothing. I'm just doing this for the video because there's nothing over there. Yeah, no, I'm gonna ruin my camera. That's what I'm worried about. Fuck me getting hurt. I don't give a shit. No.
Catwalk that shit.
Well, that's see how deep it is. Ah, fuck! I'm stupid. Yeah, it's pretty deep, huh? I don't. Yeah, it's a pretty dumb idea. Doug, that's a good question. I mean, I have to finish now and then turn around. No, fuck that. I'm going around. Linda. Jeez.
Oh, you saw that other lake over there though?
It's the same one. It's that one. It's huge. Nice. God damn. doing there? You just burn out on the tiles? Alright, sounds like a plan to me. Whoa, that was fucking dangerous as fuck. That piece of wood, that thing had nails in it. Yo, do not want to get a flat tire here. Goddamn Narnia.
Oh! Holy shit.
Oh my god!
No, we cannot go across it.
Whoa! You almost went down!
I just scared the fuck out of me.
Holy shit!
I mean, it's not steady there. It can probably go through here.
Oh my
On the bike.
This side right here, right?
Yeah.
3,700 miles on this Grom, and I think out of all the bikes I've ever owned, Honda Rebel, KLR, CBR 500, Gixxer, dirt bike, an Apollo pit bike, everything that I've owned, the bike I've ever had the most fun on and done the most crazy things on is this bike right here. Woo. Hey, this area right here, if we dust this off, we can do a little Grom track or something. This is pretty fun. These are pretty awesome. They're a little, I don't know, little hills. Oh, fuck. Crackhead houses are scary, man. Yo, this one right here. That.